Are you interested in fasting but don't know where to start?
Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of fasting for beginners.
You'll learn how to prepare yourself both mentally and physically, what to expect during your fast, and how to ease back into eating after your fast is complete. Join us as we explore the many benefits of fasting and how you can get started on your own fasting journey today. Hello and welcome back to the Wealthy channel. Today, we're going to be talking about fasting, specifically for beginners. If you've ever been curious about fasting, but don't know where to start, or what to expect, then this video is for you. What is fasting? Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food, drink, or both, for a certain period of time. It has been practiced for centuries, and has many potential health benefits. Fasting has become a popular health trend in recent years, but what exactly is it? Put simply, fasting is the act of voluntarily abstaining from food and sometimes drink for a set period of time. Fasting has been practiced for centuries in many cultures and religions for both spiritual and health reasons. When you eat, your body breaks down the food into glucose, which is used for energy. If you don't eat for a certain period of time, your body will run out of glucose and switch to burning stored fat for energy. This process is known as ketosis, and it's what many people hope to achieve when they fast. There are several different types of fasting, ranging from short-term fasts to more prolonged fasts that can last several days or even weeks. Some of the most common types of fasting include time-restricted feeding, where you limit your eating to a certain number of hours each day, alternate day fasting, where you fast every other day, and water fasting, where you only drink water for a set period of time. Intermittent fasting is also a popular type of fasting, where you alternate periods of fasting with periods of normal eating. This can be done in many different ways, such as the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 days. Fasting has been shown to have several potential health benefits, such as improving insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and promoting weight loss. However, it's important to note that fasting is not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. In summary, fasting is the act of voluntarily abstaining from food and sometimes drink for a set period of time. There are several different types of fasting, including time-restricted feeding, alternate day fasting, water fasting, and intermittent fasting. While fasting has been shown to have potential health benefits, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any fasting regimen. Now that we've covered the basics of fasting, let's dive deeper into how to start and what to expect as a beginner.
If you're new to fasting, getting started can be intimidating.
But with some preparation and knowledge, you can ease into it and reap the benefits of this powerful practice. The first step is to determine which type of fasting you want to try. There are several different types of fasting, including intermittent fasting, prolonged fasting, and alternate day fasting, among others. Each type has its own unique benefits and challenges, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your goals and lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is a popular option for beginners, as it involves periods of eating and periods of fasting throughout the day or week. One common method is the 16/8 fast, where you eat within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Another method is the 5-2 fast, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Prolonged fasting involves longer periods of fasting, typically ranging from 24 to 72 hours. This type of fasting can be more challenging, but it has been shown to have significant health benefits such as reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity, and promoting cellular repair.
Once you've chosen a fasting method, it's important to ease into it gradually.
Start with shorter fasts and gradually increase the length as your body adapts. It's also important to stay hydrated and nourished during your fasts. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your water to prevent dehydration. When breaking your fast, start with small, easily digestible meals to avoid digestive discomfort. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your fasting routine as needed. Fasting should not be overly stressful or uncomfortable, and it's important to prioritize your health and well-being above all else. If you experience any negative symptoms such as dizziness, fatigue, or nausea, break your fast and seek medical advice if necessary. In summary, getting started with fasting involves choosing a fasting method that fits your goals and lifestyle, easing into it gradually, staying hydrated and nourished, and listening to your body. With these tips in mind, you can start reaping the benefits of this powerful practice. Now, we're going to dive into what you can expect when fasting. Fasting can be an effective way to improve your health and lose weight, but it's important to know what to expect before you begin.
Here are some things you might experience while fasting.
The first thing you might notice when you start fasting is hunger. It's important to remember that feeling hungry is normal and it's a sign that your body is adjusting to the new way of eating. To help combat hunger, it's important to eat nutrient-dense foods when you break your fast. These foods can help you feel fuller for longer and provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Another thing you might experience when fasting is fatigue. This is especially common in the first few days of fasting as your body adjusts to using stored energy instead of food for fuel. It's important to listen to your body and rest when you need to. Taking short naps or slowing down your activities can help you conserve energy and feel more rested. You might also experience headaches or dizziness when fasting. These symptoms can be a sign that you're dehydrated, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Drinking water can also help you feel fuller and reduce hunger pangs. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. Finally, you might experience mood swings or irritability when fasting. This is normal and can be caused by changes in hormone levels or a lack of energy. To help combat mood swings, it's important to practice self-care and relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or taking a bath. Overall, fasting can be a positive experience for your mind and body, but it's important to listen to your body and take care of yourself throughout the process. That's all for today's video on fasting for beginners.
We hope you found this information helpful and feel more confident about starting your own fasting journey. Remember to start slowly, stay hydrated, and listen to your body.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching Fasting for Beginners, How to Start and What to Expect.
We hope you found this video informative and helpful as you begin your fasting journey.
Remember, fasting is a personal decision and may not be suitable for everyone. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a fasting regimen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family who may be interested in fasting, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences with fasting. Thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.